We just had our late dinner here in Dapitan. Now this is Sunset Boulevard. We arrived mga almost 7 PM na. Then we purchased ticket na sa Supercat for tomorrow na boat trip. So itong Sunset Boulevard, no? Nandito yung mga restaurants. If you want to have dinner or any meal here. So itong mga restaurants facing the sea. Yan, no? Dito. So maganda siyang parang relaxation, fresh air. This one. Seafront siya. Safe naman for mga tourist. And this is yung dagat, yung sea. Yan. Super dilim. Yeah. You have there. So promenade. May mga banda din. You heard yung mga kanta. Then they have also yung plaza, the other side. There's a plaza there, yeah, but what really stood out here yung mga kainan. Now if you travel here, you cross Dumaguete in the Visayas. Ito yung jumping board, no? Ito yung sakyan. Hi there.